Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look and test the Muji PP Drawer Unit A4 White. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the Muji PP or Polypropylene Drawer Unit A4 White. And just taking a look at the details of the storage box or drawer unit. And on the side there is a product label or sticker with the details and specifications and barcode of this Muji PP Drawer Unit A4 White. And continuing to take a look around the drawer unit, and this is the rear of the drawer unit, and of course the opposite side as well, and at the underside of the unit. So this is the base or underside of the unit, and there are 4 protrusions, as we can see, 2 on each end, and they work in making these drawer units stackable. As you can see on the top of this unit there are 4 depressions where those feet or extrusions go into. And to give you some idea of the size of this drawer unit, placing my hand on top of it, and the overall color here is the greyish white. And let's take a look at the drawer unit itself, or drawer, sliding it out. And it does come completely out, and there are no catches, as you can see the drawer unit sliding open earlier as I was handling the main unit itself, or the case. And now just giving you a look at the drawer. So it does have a glossy finish on the inside, as you can see, reflecting the ceiling or pendant light. And once again, right there, the glossy sides of the drawer itself. And on the underside of the drawer, once again, glossy as well. And you can see that there is a bar right there on the underside, or depression, for grip to pull the drawer out. And once again, giving you a look directly inside this drawer and placing my hand in there to give you some sense of the depth or scale and perspective. And just setting the drawer to the side and giving you a look at the main body or drawer unit's case itself. So there is a metal bar on the underside of the top to give the unit some structure. And just sliding the drawer back into its case or box right there, and the dimensions are 37 centimeters long or wide and 26 centimeters deep and 17.5 centimeters tall. So those are the dimensions of this Muji PP Drawer Unit A4 White in the greyish white design. So once again, 37 centimeters that way, 26 centimeters that way, and 17.5 centimeters tall. And just giving you another angle or look at this drawer unit with the drawer out. It's right there, giving you maximum detail as best I can. And of course we can do a demo and store something in it. So over here I have a Skullcandy carry pouch with a pair of Skullcandy Hesh ANC wireless headphones, which I unboxed previously on this YouTube channel. So right there, giving you some sense of the size of these collapsible or foldable headphones, and just putting in the case and putting the case in the drawer unit and just giving you a direct look to give you some sense of the size and scale and of course perspective. And just sliding the drawer unit back into the body of the drawer or case right there, and to give you some sense of course, the structure, firmness or stiffness of this drawer unit. Just pressing down on the top, so there's a slight amount of flex, but nonetheless there is a metal bar on this underside here of the top to give it the rigidity and structure. So once again, giving you a thorough look at this Muji PP drawer unit A4 white. So that's the Muji PP drawer unit A4 white. Thanks for watching and happy storing!